increasingly people saw there's kind of two clear options here. You have, Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael broadly offering more of the same. And you have also offering a very distinct alternative. You might call it populist. I might have another name for it. But the electorate understood that there were now two very, very clear...
Are you a socialist or a populist?
I'm a left Republican is my preferential label.
That sounds like populist.
But can I say this to you? See, no matter what we call it, right, and we
Okay.
can get hung up on these terms, huge numbers of working people were saying what has been happening over the last 4 or 5 years in terms of the cost of childcare, the lack of affordable housing, the chaos in health, etc. It doesn't work for them anymore. And I think what we got right, and I think we did get it right, is we offered those people a very clear, a very coherent, and what we would say is a very credible alternative. Right. And I think that's why we're in the position we're in today.
Okay.
Everybody's going to need a little bit of time here to absorb not just the internal party impact, the broader social, economic and political impact. We have never seen an election like this in the history of the state.